Hey folks, welcome to AIverse. If you have been scrolling Instagram recently, I am pretty sure you have come across videos like these. Me too. And I thought that's my dream house, but imagine my shock when I found out it is AI generated. Not only that, the video had over 100 million views. My spidey sense started tingling and I thought, if it is AI generated, I can create it too. So, today's video is all about that. So, without wasting any time, let's get right to it. As usual, we will start by first creating our image using Midjourney or Leonardo.Ai, depends on your preference and if you want free versus paid version. To accommodate most of our audience, let's go with Leonardo.Ai. We are going to use Leonardo's diffusion model. We noticed the living room has tall ceilings with floor-to-ceiling windows. You can use the prompt in the description below and tweak it according to your liking, but make sure to include double-heighted ceiling and floor-to-ceiling windows. Now click on Generate. Amazing. I always recommend you upscale the image. For that, I recommend you to either use the upscale image function within Leonardo at the bottom of the screen, but it requires you to upgrade the account, or you can simply use a free image upscaler tool from the internet. Now let's download the image. Okay, now it's time to create the image for the background, which is what you will see looking out the window. You can use the second prompt in the description to generate this image. Again, repeat the steps to upscale the image after downloading it. Now, here comes the tricky part. Do pay close attention. You will need to cut out the windows from your image. You can do this in Photoshop, but since we are using only free versions today, you can use Photopea. This is a free-to-use Photoshop program, which you can use in your browser. Now, upload the image of the room. The easiest way to cut out the windows is to use the polygonal lasso select tool. This allows you to draw straight lines. Simply select the tool and start in one corner of a window. Select each corner until you have completed the entire window and simply press backspace on your keyboard. This will then delete the window part of that image. In the next step, we are then going to add the snow effect and background behind this window to make the image come to life. So you want to do this for every window in the image. At some places, it is a little bit more difficult to cut out the windows. For instance, here at the couch, the best way to cut these out is to use the magic wand tool. Select the window, and you will see the magic wand will automatically select a part of the window. You can then delete. Simply do this a couple of times until you have the most difficult parts cut out. Once you have these parts cut out, you can go back to the polygonal lasso select tool and do the rest of the window. And voila, we are done. Now go to File in the top left corner. Select Export As and choose the PNG file type. Give it a name and select Save. Now it's time to bring it all together. In order to do that, we will need editing software. And if you have been following me for a while, you know we are a huge fan of Capcut, because it is free and absolutely beginner-friendly tool. I use Capcut for my videos too. Capcut team, if you are listening, it's about time you started paying me. Okay, moving on. Let's upload the image with the cutout windows and the background image, and you want to start by dragging the background image onto the timeline first. Then, on top of that image, you will need to place the image with the cutout windows. Now, for the snow effect, you will need a snow effect green screen video. Simply go to YouTube and search for snow green screen. Pick one you like and download the video. Next, go back to Capcut and upload the video. Now, you want to place this video between the background image and the image with the cutout windows. And this is the most amazing part. Go to Cutout in the video section in the top right corner. Enable the chroma key option and select the color picker. Then, select the green color of the snow video and increase the strength until the green background disappears. You will probably notice that the green isn't going to disappear entirely, as you can see some of the snowflakes still have a slight green color. You can increase the strength a bit more to get rid of all the green. However, you will also lose a lot of the snowflakes. So, here is what you want to do. Go to Adjustments in the top right corner and scroll down until you see the saturation slider. Set this one all the way to the left. This will take out all the color of the video, leaving you with completely white snowflakes. I also suggest you put the brightness slider all the way to the right to enhance this even more. And as you can see, you are now left with only the white snowflakes. You can also see that the snowflakes are very large and that there aren't nearly enough to cover the entire video. So, the next step is to make the snowflakes video smaller and simply copy and paste this multiple times so it covers the entire video. To make it look like there is even more snow, you can simply select every snow effect layer and copy and paste it again. Change the direction a bit, and this step is done. Our background image seems a bit too bright, so I will select this one and again go to Adjustments. Then I will decrease the brightness to make the background darker. Now, select Export in the top right corner, give the video a name, and hit Export. Again, I'm going to import this video back into Capcut, so it's easier to edit the rest because I also want to add a fireplace. To do this, you want to again go to YouTube and search for Fire Green Screen. Pick one you like and download the video. Upload the video in Capcut and simply follow the same steps as with the snow effect. Go to Cutout, enable the chroma key, and select the color picker. Choose the green color and increase the strength until the green color has disappeared. Now, scale the video until it fits in the fireplace. I also recommend you cut off a part of the top of the fire. This would give it a more natural look. Now for the last step, you want to select both layers and create a compound clip. This will combine them into one. Now go to Ratio and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. This is the desired aspect ratio for short-form content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Enlarge the video and place it to the left side of the screen. Now to make the video move from the left to the right side of the screen, you want to place the timing bar at the start of the video. Then go to the video section in the top right corner and look for position and size. Now, add a keyframe, drag the timing bar to the end of the clip and add another keyframe. Now place the video slightly to the right and you are done. As you can see, the video is now moving. Let's take a look at the final result. Before we do that, if you liked the video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such cool videos. This is beautiful. I want to live here. You can, of course, use the same method to create backgrounds for Lo-Fi Beats channel. If you haven't watched it yet, you can click here and take a look. I share different ways to make money online using AI tools, and most of these tools are either totally free or they are very cheap. Hope you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. If you did, please do share it and subscribe to my channel and comment on this video what you would like to see next. Until then, take care and keep grinding.